Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2020 Kia Forte EX. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter engine and has front-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we got that rear backup camera, Forte Kia logo, these cool rear lights. We have splash guards on the rear and front, blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors, and moving to the front here, we do have that nice Kia grill. Taking a look in the trunk area, we do get quite a bit of storage. You even get a cargo mat. You can collapse your last row from here, and you do get your storage with the spare tire as well, which is all pretty handy. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, plenty of door space. You got all weather floor, lower mats, carpeted interior, rear vents, and of course you can fold this down, if I can get a hold of it, for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have manual front seats, as well as plenty of door space up front. You got your lights, blind spot, lane keep, traction, all on your left-hand side, and you got your trunk, gas cap, and you do get floor mats up front as well. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 107,157 kilometers. We do have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You got your cruise control, toggle for your screen, all that jazz, phone, voice, mode, and volume and channel change all right there. And looking at our main screen here, we do get our digital speedometer. We have our drive modes, which include normal, eco, aggressive, whatever, fuel economy, information, drive info, and all that fun stuff. To my right, we have our gear select. We have our heated front seats, heated steering wheel, drive modes. You got your sport, smart, and normal. You got your cup holders, parking brake, leather wrap center console with a 12 volt down there. We have a 12 volt up here, USBs, aux, wireless charging pad, dual climate up front, which is pretty nice. Your engine start, hazards, storage below. Above me, we do have our features for our little moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. You have all your media controls just conveniently down here with Bluetooth capabilities. You do have your audio, which does have your AM, FM, and all that used. We're just going to go at Sirius XM. And all that fun stuff. You got your Bluetooth, got your menu right here. Driving info, aux, voice commands, all that jazz. My menu, apps in general, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto capabilities, which is all pretty nice, and your settings. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7875, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.